English class for beginners. Greetings. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. How are you? How are you? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Hey, good morning. Hey, good morning. Hi, good afternoon. Hi, good afternoon. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Please. Please. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Can you help me? Can you help me? I don't understand. I don't understand. Could you repeat that again? Could you repeat that again? What's your name? What's your name? My name is. My name is, plus your name here. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How much is this? How much is this? Can I have the menu, please? Can I have the menu, please? I would like, plus what you want to do here. Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Can you speak slowly? Can you speak slowly? I need, plus what you need. What time is it? What time is it? Can I get the bill, please? Can I get the bill, please? Help! Help! I am lost. I am lost. I am lost. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? I'm learning English. I'm learning English. Where can I find? Where can I find? I'm allergic to. I'm allergic to. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. Goodbye. 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 What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? Could you tell me the time? Could you tell me the time? Where can I buy a ticket? Where can I buy a ticket? Is there a restaurant nearby? Is there a restaurant nearby? I'd like to make a reservation. I'd like to make a reservation. Could I get a glass of water, please? Could I get a glass of water, please? How do I get to the airport? How do I get to the airport? What does this word mean? What does this word mean? Can you show me on the map? Can you show me on the map? I'm looking for this address. I'm looking for this address. Could you take a picture of me? Could you take a picture of me? I need a doctor. I need a doctor. Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Do you have this in a different size? Do you have this in a different size? How long will it take? How long will it take? I'm here on business. I'm here on business. I'm here on vacation. I'm here on vacation. Can we have the check, please? Can we have the check, please? I need to cancel my reservation. I need to cancel my reservation. Where is the nearest ATM? Where is the nearest ATM? I'd like to rent a car. I'd like to rent a car. Can I have the receipt, please? Can I have the receipt, please? I am a vegetarian. Do you have any vegetarian dishes? I am a vegetarian. Do you have any vegetarian dishes? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? I think there's a mistake in a bill. I think there's a mistake in a bill. I think there's a mistake in a bill. I'm here to see Mr. I'm here to see Mr. I'm here to see Mrs. I'm here to see Mrs. Can you recommend a good place to visit? Can you recommend a good place to visit? I'd like to book a tour. I'd like to book a tour. What's the best way to get to? What's the best way to get to? I'd like to send this postcard. I'd like to send this postcard. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.